Please subscribe, and you can download this code from description below. Title: Understanding and Handling Index Error, List Index Out of Range in Python. Introduction. Index error is a common error in Python, and it occurs when you try to access an index that is outside the bounds of a list. This tutorial will help you understand why index error happens and how to handle it effectively in your Python code. In Python, lists are zero-indexed, meaning the first element is at index 0, the second at index 1, and so on. Index error occurs when you attempt to access an index that doesn't exist in the list. Accessing an index beyond list length. Using negative indices beyond list length. Empty list access. To prevent index error, it's essential to check if an index is within the valid range before accessing it. Here are some approaches to handle it. Understanding and handling index error is crucial for writing robust Python code. Always validate indices before accessing list elements to avoid unexpected errors. Use try-except blocks or explicit index checks to gracefully handle these situations, improving the reliability of your programs. ChatGPT. In Python, the index error is a common error that occurs when trying to access an index in a list, tuple, or other iterable that is outside the valid range of indices. This tutorial will guide you through understanding the index error and how to handle it gracefully in your Python code. An index error is raised when you try to access an index of a sequence, example list, tuple, that does not exist. In Python, indexing starts from 0, so if you try to access an index that is greater than or equal to the length of the sequence, you will encounter an index error. Let's consider a simple example to illustrate the index error. In this example, the index 10 is out of the valid range for the list my_list, which only has indices from 0 to 4. This will result in an index error. To handle index error gracefully in your code, you can use a try-except block. By catching the index error, you can take appropriate actions to avoid program termination. In this example, the program will not terminate abruptly due to the index error. Instead, it will print an informative message and continue with the rest of the code. Before accessing an index, you can check whether it's within the valid range using conditional statements. This approach allows you to validate the index before attempting to access it, preventing the index error. Handling index error is an essential part of writing robust Python code. By using try-except blocks or validating indices before accessing them, you can ensure that your program handles out-of-range indices gracefully, providing a better user experience and avoiding unexpected crashes. ChatGPT.